My name is Sam, and today I want to show you how you can map data from the 2020 Decennial Census Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file, or SDHC, in data.census.gov. Supplementing the data available in the Demographic and Housing Characteristics, or DHC product, the SDHC tables reflect especially complex relationships between the characteristics about households and the people living in them. The SDHC data is available for the nation and states and combines characteristics about households and people, including the total population in households, average household size by age and tenure, average family size, household and family type for people under 18 years old, and total population in households by tenure. Let's go to data.census.gov and take a look. My goal is to map the data that shows the number of people and families in Maine who are both under 18 years of age and those who are 18 years of age and over. My first step is to go to the advanced search by clicking on the button beneath the search bar. We usually recommend that you select the geography first, so on the left, under Geographies, click on State and check the box for Maine. Then, to let the site know that we want data from the SDHC, navigate to the Survey section on the left. Click on Decennial Census and check the box next to Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file. Last, let's add a topic to narrow down the list of tables to what we need. Under Topics, click on Populations and People and check the box for age and sex. Now that I have these filters selected, I can hit the search button in the lower right corner of the screen. I get back a list of tables that I can view by clicking on the Tables tab. Let's change the number of tables that we can see at once from 10 to 50 by clicking on the button above the tables list. The first few tables in the list show the average household size. Since this isn't what we need, we can skip over those. Table PH4 looks promising, so let's look at that one. When we click on it, we can see that this is the table that provides the data that we want. From the top of the table, we can confirm that we are using the 2020 Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file, and the universe of this table is the population, or number of people in families. The table includes 3 columns of data. One with the estimated count, and the other 2 with the respective low and high 90% credible intervals. You can find out more about the estimated counts and the low and high 90% credible intervals in the technical documentation provided in the link below. Now let's view this data in a map. Click on the Maps tab at the top of the page or the Map button in the ribbon. Either will take you to the same spot. When the map appears, you can see the first line of the table. The total number of people in families is mapped in light blue. Let's use the chevrons to close the filters and results panels to make more room for the map. What I would like to do is have a map showing the number of people and families who are under 18 years of age, as well as another map that shows the number of people and families who are 18 or older. To change the variables shown in the map, click on the down arrow found on the left side of the ribbon above the map. Then click on Under 18 Years. The map legend updates to reflect the variables now shown in the map. If I want to print this, I can click on the Print button. The map is downloaded into a PDF that also indicates the notes associated with the map. I can do the same thing for the variables for people and families who are 18 years of age and older if I want. If I'd like to download the map boundaries, I can use the GeoJSON button. When you click on the button, it will start a zip download of the currently visible map boundaries in GeoJSON format. These boundary files can be used to create custom maps using your own software. If you'd like to see how other states compare, you can use the tools found under the Select button to add them to the map. You have 3 different options for selecting geographies. a box, a circle, and a lasso. To use these, click on the one that you want to use. Click on one of the geographies you want to add, hold the click, and drag the mouse around the map to touch the other geographies you want to add. The box creates a rectangle to select the geographies, while the circle creates a circle to do so. The lasso is a free-form drawing method that allows you to select the geographies. In all cases, any geography that touches the line will get added to the map. Once you are done selecting geographies, click on the Select button again to stop selecting them. I hope this tutorial has helped in showing how you can map data from the 2020 Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file in data.census.gov. For more guidance on using our site, please visit our resources page at the link below. Thank you.